everybody, Gisele Grenier here. In this video, I just want to show you how to texturize a piece of watercolor paper using embossing folders. This is not a formal video on anything. I'm doing some projects where I'm doing this stuff ahead of time to make those videos shorter. So if you don't have anything textured, and then you can find something, but if you have the equipment, then you can refer to this video. So what I have here is, I guess I should show you the actual finished piece. So I've got this card. This is for a project I'm going to be working on. So what I did is, it's a piece of watercolor paper, and I took some decoupage paper, and I embossed it to run it through the machine, and then glued it on top of this. So for this example, I've got some of the metallic type paper from Decor, and you can either emboss the paper itself or you can emboss the card. So I'm going to show you both. And you can also, if you don't have the machine, but you've got some texture plates, you can use anything for texture. You can even try a rolling pin, stuff like that. So there's instructions on exactly how to assemble everything. So all I'm going to do is take one. This is all gears. And one is the embossed side and one's the cut side. So the part that bumples up, I call that the embossed side. So I'm going to put that on the top. So let's just run that like that and put it here. Put the other acrylic plate on top. And then I'm going to run it through. Just so I don't have to do this in every single video, just save some time. And run that. And all it is to make texture. That's all it is. It's just to texturize something like physical texture. And if you make a lot of cards, this is a great way to add texture to your paper. So if you see that, there you go. And then if I wanted to do the actual watercolor card, or the book of backgrounds card, so the plate, put the card inside. Now this one I'm going to get the really small details. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make it like this because there's a nice teardrop shaped piece there. And I'm going to go slightly on the inside. Put that there. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put another plate down to make it nice and tight because I want this to be heavily embossed. Oh, that really goes through nicely. This is a lot cleaner than using those little dies. I did another video like that. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? So that's it. That was all there was to this video. It's just to quickly show you how to do that. That way I didn't have to show you that in every video lesson that's coming up. All right, so that's it. There's a great way to add texture to your pieces, and there's a bunch of different designs. I mean, you can even take some of the other things, like I did one on the dies. Here, I'll just show you this way. You can overlap. You know, you can do anything you want. So that's it. So I'm going to clean up and get ready for the project where I'm going to take a textured card like this that's been embossed, and I'm going to create a piece, which I'm going to show you a little bit of composition. So we're going to use a full of texture, composition, and then the theme of contrast. All right, so until I see you in that video, stay inspired.